services as soon as today because of a legal battle with our state.
Eyewitness News reporter Marco Robles joins us live from LAX, where some rideshare drivers are expected to protest this morning. Mark.
That's right, Leslie, Brandy, good morning. A group of rideshare drivers for both major companies, Uber and Lyft, planning to rally later this morning as they are potentially just hours away from being out of work. This after a state court gave the companies just 10 days to reclassify drivers as employees, and that could shut down service here in California as early as today. These rideshare drivers are currently considered contractors, meaning they don't get benefits like paid sick leave. If the change is made, a work shift would guarantee benefits like overtime, sick leave, and reimbursement for expenses, and some fear the likelihood of switching over drivers to a W-2 form for taxes. Uber's CEO has said if the court doesn't reconsider, it is hard to believe that Uber would be able to switch over their model to full employment that quickly, forcing at least the temporary shutdown.
Even though the state obviously wants to set in this initiative for the company, it's us drivers and the riders that are going to suffer the consequence of not being able to have an option at all.
Now back out live, both companies have appealed the court's order, and they're also sponsoring a proposition on the November ballot which would exempt them from the law, allowing drivers to remain working as independent contractors.